What's up guys, Murray here with Murray's Mobile Mechanics and welcome to the channel. This time around I'll show you how to do an oil change on a 2018 Mercedes GLA250 car is secured because we just did the brakes. The first thing we're going to do is remove the oil cap, put it on the side, dipstick, put it on the side at all times. Whenever we're doing an oil change on these cars, make sure the dipstick is off the way. We'll take off this cover. Just held by some rubber grommets. Let me see if I can locate some. There's one here, one there, and there should be one down there. So the oil filter housing is located down there. I don't know if you're able to see. This is the one right here. We're going to use a 24mm socket with some extension to take the oil filter housing off. We're going to use this setup right here. Actually 27. I said 24, it's a 27. So let me loosen the oil filter housing and then we get going. What's up guys? So you can see I put some rags around there just to protect some spills. We're going to loosen it. We won't take it out completely. We just loosen it just like so. And then let's go under the vehicle. We take the underneath cover out and then we drain the oil. So we'll take the cover out. It's a bunch of 8mm bolts. These are the ones, 3 of them. Put them aside. And this is our drain plug right here. So I'm gonna grab myself a 13mm socket with a ratchet. Grab myself a drain. Catch the oil. So we got oil draining and then we'll go up under the hood and then we take the oil filter out and then we go from there. What's up guys? So we are almost done draining. You can see it's just dripping just a little bit. It's time to inspect our drain plug. This one looks okay. We'll use the same washer, so we'll go ahead and install our drain plug just like so. Wipe off the excess oil. And then we'll go ahead and install our cover back on. Right now we're going to lower the vehicle, change the O-rings on the oil filter housing, put the new oil filter, and then we fill it up with oil. We'll take off the oil filter first. That's the one right there, and then we'll start taking the O-rings out. We'll start with the small one, the first one right here. Get your screwdriver in there. This one is brittle, it just broke off. And by the way, the oil filter part number is right there. We're using Mobile 1. That's the part number right there. It's the same filter, it looks the same. Slide the new one just like so. And then the oil filter box comes with 3 O-rings. So we'll take off the second one. I believe it's gonna break as well. Let's use the angle pick tool. These ones are brittle, they're just breaking. You can see they're coming out in pieces. And just know where they are going. We'll get the last one. I think they've been changing just this one. Make sure you know the groove it comes out from. This is the big one. We'll go ahead and install the big one. Big one is in the right groove. We'll get the second one. Slide it over right here. Also goes in the right groove, and then last but not the least, the smaller one goes in the groove right there. So let me grab some mobile fresh oil, put around the O-rings, and then we get going. So we are using mobile 1 oil filter, part number one more time. And then we are using 0W40 mobile 1 oil. Just gonna do this. That's enough. Get some fresh oil and just put on the O-rings just like so. Put the remaining oil in there. And now we'll go ahead and install the new oil filter with the new oil filter housing, and then we get going. What's up, guys? So we'll go ahead and install the new oil filter just like so. It says Toki 225 Newton meter. Pretty much this, all you have to do is just tighten it until it's doesn't move no more. Pretty much that should be okay. And pretty much that should be it. Grab yourself some brake clean. Grab your rag. My rag fell almost to the ground right there. Grab yourself the rag and just clean some excess. Pretty much after you clean, that's it. What's remaining now is just filling up the oil. So the trick on these cars is make sure the dipstick is not in the way. Make sure you put the dipstick as last. So we're going to fill it up. You have to fill it up slowly, because if you move faster, you are going to create back pressure, and oil will go to the air filter intake, and then it's gonna be something you don't want to do. So we're gonna do that, and then we'll go from there. So once you fill it up with 0W40 Mobile 1 full synthetic oil, you can take off your funnel. You can put your oil cap back on. And the reason why you don't want to fill it up fast, you don't want to build back pressure, which will lead oil to go this way, and that's something you don't want to do. So right now, we'll go ahead and check the oil level with our dipstick. So our dipstick has broken. We're gonna use one, we'll let the customer know, and then pretty much you put your cover on, run your engine, and then pretty much that's it. Reset the light, and then that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share for more tips on how to fix your vehicle. We'll see you on the next one.